Welcome back to our City Hall. Ezigu Chukwudi Nkubi and Barrister Sunday Odun today inside studio. And we will discuss the issue we get to do with the strike matter inside Obodo, Nigeria. Before we go that back-to-back break, we've been dropped one question for Barrister to answer. And Barrister, make you not just be like, say, we waste too much time. We could just wrap up all the thing when you don't answer. Say, it go dey very, very good. Say, as Nigerian people, if we want to make our country, they okay. When we say all of us go enjoy them, it go good make government look themselves, do well. Make we self do well. Not say we just wait. Okay, one labor or one union for somewhere, but do one particular thing to help our matter. We'll just put full stop for that one. We'll go enter this other issue when they're very, very important. And I know, say, you must feel the heat. Make I ask this question. For inside Obodo, Nigeria, everything when they do, whether you like them or not, we need power. In the sense, say, power now go fit help us do every other thing they do for our society based on, say, arrangement and everything. And especially when we say Executive Director, Research and Advocacy, Association of Nigerian Electricity Distributors. That one means say now they share
the lights.
I won't ask you. I beg, you get where una dey keep am? Because question. So, because
the light they reserved somewhere. So okay.
Somewhere una dey keep am for us. Say dem get light bank.
Make we never share.
Never share am. Because for where we dey for the past 2 weeks
weeks, even 1 month.
Now you go answer the question.
We never take IC light.
Thank you very much. Number one, you cannot store electricity. There's no way you can store it. So you can't store light. You know there anywhere where them put them, say, make you reserve them. That's number one. Number two, we have to look at where we're coming from to know where we are today and to talk about where we're going tomorrow.
Yeah.
Now, Nigeria gets like 170 million people. To give light to 170 million people, you need 170,000 megawatts. Because for every 1 million, you need 1,000 megawatts. That's number one. Number two, Nigeria, as it is now, we're generating less than 5,000.
Less than 5,000.
It's like you have 20 children. To have good light, if we generate 20,000 self, everybody will feel good light everywhere. But if you have 20 children, and the food where you get for home, only day enough for 5 children, what that will mean be say, out of 20 in the morning, 5 will eat. 15 will say, you wait. In the afternoon, another 5 will eat. In the evening, another 5 will eat. You do it like that, like Formula 001 or Formula 101. That's the way light thing matter day. Number one, the light we generate they too low. And why is it low? The thing is low because for 50 years, Nigerian government didn't do enough on power. The money where they set aside for power, they shop them. 2013, November 1, then the government decided to privatize. They sold off power generation and power distribution. They still hold on to the one we call power transmission. That's the power line, the big power where you see. Down our transmission. And I will tell you the way they work. The first one at the top, there are 3 layers. The number one is generation. Now those one where they generate power. For this one, they generate power through hydro, that is water. Shiro Dam, Kanji Dam, those ones.
Basically through water.
Water. The other one, na Tama Station, through gas.
Through gas, okay.
Like Egbe.
Okay.
We'll do here. Yes. Now, so only 1/4 of what we generate is through water. 3/4 are through gas. So for there to be light, the machine, they call them turbine. Let me tell you the way generation works. If you look at even your own house, you are better past my neighbor. It's the same thing. Just that it's a bigger generator.
Passion of it, yeah.
Same thing. Now, if there's no petrol to put inside your better past my neighbor, can it work? It cannot work. So the power station need gas to fire and generate electricity. Just like if you have a brand new cooker for inside your kitchen, but you now pass one pipe to outside to connect to the cylinder, the gas cylinder. If you are cooking, as you are cooking like that, somebody will go to the back of the house and cut the hose. no more cooking inside. That's what happened when they bombed the gas pipeline. So the Nigerian problem be say some of our brothers waiting for Niger Delta area.
The para.
Now then they do the thing. When they bomb it in, and gas, when they cut it like that, it's not as if they can use it to mean a sabotage. And when they do that, no gas for the power station.
Very true.
Now, what that means is that gas pipeline vandalism lead to shortage of gas to power station. Shortage of gas lead to low generation. Low generation and bad or poor transmission network lead to low distribution.
Okay.
So for us as discos, there's nothing we can do if there's nothing generated. And I'll put it like a beer industry, like brewery, where they produce beer. And if Oga be distributor, and you be the engineer for the brewery, he pay money into the brewery to collect his beer. I'll be beer customer. I have my money to pay for beer, but I'm waiting for distributor to bring beer to the beer parlor, make we drink. And he pay for 200 carton. He collect it from your brewery every time. He distribute to us, we drink, we pay. But one day, he get to the brewery, you say one of your machine is defective. Or you say no water. To do beer in a brewery, Nigerian brewery, to do Coca-Cola or to do beer, you need water. He said some people don't cut the hose where they bring water to your brewery from wherever, from water corporation. Can he distribute beer to me?
Obviously
he cannot.
But
that's what's going on.
Barrister,
Yes.
I will try bring her for this thing. We'll open our phone line very soon now so that at least our viewers go fit do it. Go fit contribute for the matter and call in and give our own opinion about the issue we talk about. Barrister, you don't mention gas as one of the major sources of which we take.
Yes.
Or also mention water. Okay, and if we say yes, we get challenged as a result of probably lack of maybe we say lack of government inability to do what they're supposed to do. Now they face some of these challenges. There are other means of generating power.
Yes.
Why is government not also addressing this other means so that at least
they are doing that
also help? They will also expand the megawatts we talk about.
I agree with
because
you.
Don't describe them 170 million. So we need like 1,000 megawatts.
170,000.
Oh, no, 1,000 megawatts for 1 million people.
Yes.
You understand? So which means we dey far behind.
But if we get 20,000 megawatts today, because the 170 million Nigerians, like my village for Ogun State, they don't get light. Those who are not on national grid, those who don't get electric pole at all, those ones, they don't get light. So if we say we don't want can those ones, and one can those who have pole for their house, like your house, where there's no power, but you have pole.
Barrister, no vex.
Those ones, 20,000 is enough.
Quickly collect this call from Justin. Justin, good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning, Justin.
Okay, Justin, we greet you.
With the guest,
Okay, with the yeah, right on.
Okay, if those women at the table and women will not get like even the like where they just bring them now, man, to they just carry the light, man. Just few 2 minutes when they bring the light.
Now they take them again.
I tell you, you don't reach 3 weeks I won't get light for my area now. And you see that the fuel issue again, 1 liter, 145 naira. I would take by how many liters go buy put for 4 weeks, but we want 1%. So I don't think the discussion we want to discuss today.
Okay, Justin, we dey discuss about the whole strike matter and the fact say light no even dey dey at all. We dey try see how we go take find lasting solution to this problem because like say light dey dey, people no go even too dey complain too much say that they buy fuel at this particular price. Wetin you think say government go fit do to use ensure say light matter go be something wey be say e no go be promise and election promise as e dey be since 1999.
Justin, they there.
Like say the network don't agree on Justin to make a contribution. We get Aisha. Aisha, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Isha.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is Acha calling from Kodu.
Okay, we dey hear you.
Number one, I want to talk to the barrister there.
Okay.
First of all, he talked about what they call the last administration did not left any money.
Okay.
So I don't want to call something. Make that man the pass information. We know the right. If this new government not make money, where did they see the money where did they use before they pass, all the things they did before they pass the budget. Number one, the cars where those people buy, where they see the money, everything they do, where they see the money. So that one I want information.
Okay.
So secondly, about the fuel something when I saw. Now that they watching now fuel, I go buy fuel for 145. No lie. So thirdly, you do not want to thirdly about this government. Where they talk about it, the time with the high money to the way they commit subsidy, where they put down for 1.5. Now this bag, all these barriers, all these people they come out and they talk. That they talk say, why they go increase fuel to 105? None of them they talk. They not know for them, they no money, no money nothing. So I think they don't live on like 2 years ago, so I'm sure then. We know all this problem where this new government is, they're not going to make some money, go to plenty.
Okay.
We say we shall go enjoy ourselves. Now, why is all this about people? Now, I'm sorry to say that too. Why is all these people? When we say, I just want to even thank this TV, now they're very, very open. About the TVC, where we say they're going to do the
Aisha, we don't get your opinion. We don't get your opinion.
Okay, no problem,
Thank you very much.
Can I say something about this?
You go say
react,
something, but
but-
before you react to that one, we go just quick rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, our Ugonga visitor, Barrister Sunday Odutun, go react to the contribution when Oga Acha make all the way from Ikorodu. We will not go anywhere. This na still as in a heart. Will they come back? We get Oga Chuks from Ikorodu. Oga Chuks, thank you very much for your patience and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
I greet you, Oga
Chuks.
Chuks.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah.
Our visitor, I greet you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. First of all, make I talk on that. You see, when they good, you go tell us. When somebody do good, you go tell us saying they do good.
Okay.
And when they do wrong, you go tell us saying they do wrong. You see, for federal government, for this particular measure we then take, and actually get around. In fact, it is a calculated attempt, you understand, to destabilize us and to disorganize us the more, we, the citizens. Now, the fuel we then put for 145 naira, for any reason, I never see any reason why they're supposed to carry and go like that. When the situation of the country still get somehow, children are not going to school, children are dropping out, people cannot eat and normal again. Transport fare to even go for one place and the other, from the crisis of fuel we will get, whenever they come out from that one, before you know what did happen, Jack Robinson, they don't put the fuel for 145 naira. So who's detriment? This is what we talk about. Now we the common men they use them.
Yeah.
The ordinary grind paper woman we dey for on the street. Now then they use them. Now we did this thing they affect. At the end of the day, if I won't go grind paper, at the end of the day, why they grind with 100 naira before? 300 now. Now me, they pay for the thing. What am I paying for what I did not commit? Now NLC now, we're supposed to be our body. Come out, they make them fight for us. Federal government go bring us another faction. They won't stabilize the country anymore. Which faction Nigeria recognize inside these two people? Whether we like it or not, whether they come there by crook or by hook, now we elect them. Look for our politicians. When they go there by crook, how many people don't come destabilize them for when they do this thing? So why should somebody come from nowhere and destabilize NLC? Say because they won't get things right. Whether they fight for pocket or not, we should give them a chance first.
Oga Chuks, we don't note this your important contribution. We appreciate that, but because of time, we go quickly take Ekemini. Ekemini, they call us all the way from Durban, South Africa. Oga Ekemini, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Ekemini, good morning.
Ekemini, you
Ekemini,
there? It be like say the network no great Ekemini to make a contribution. Barrister, you've been talking, you want to respond to the question when you say Oga Acha.
What I want to say is that all of us Nigerians, we are from one part of the country or the other. I am a Yoruba man. I'm a high chief in Egba land, and I'm proud to be an Egba man. But I don't look at Egba, I look at Nigeria. The only way to make Nigeria great is for all of us to look at the country and put the country first. The moment you start saying, you Yoruba people, you Ijaw people, you Igbo people, you Kanuri people, you Fulani people, you Hausa people, you Idoma people, then we don't love Nigeria anymore.
True.
The truth of the matter is that there are Yoruba chiefs at the top, there are Ijaw chiefs, Idoma chiefs, Kanuri
And
chiefs,
virtually
Hausa
everybody get
chiefs,
chiefs,
Fulani
exactly.
chiefs, Igala
Igbo
chiefs.
yeah.
They are everywhere.
Okay, Oga Sonderbeg, maybe we quickly collect this call from one of our major callers. Oga Bobby, good morning.
Well, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
I want to ask the guest a question.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The question is saying, if the travel abroad, Abi?
Yes.
Okay. Is he how the way they organize this? You know, they ask them questions. I mean, if you go like a meeting or a seminar, you know, they ask questions. Because I did surprised to say people in Nigeria don't want they in bigger office or whatever in position. Because I think that they ask how those countries they stable in terms of everything what they do. You get me now? Because if they talk about the light matter, I think the way to go for Nigeria, that light problem, for federal government to solve that problem, federal government need to wash in hand and come up for the light. The only thing the federal government need to do is to regulate. To regulate the prices of how much Nigeria will pay. Period. Then give it to every state meal run your own. You understand me? A private sector and that private sector need to come into every state to handle the issue. You understand me now? Like the way I did for Holland, yes, so my state, Amsterdam here when I did so, is run by a different company. But I did purchase the light when I did use for my house from another company.
Yes.
You understand? So
Your choice,
you
yes.
Yes.
I buy the light because that the way I feel say it's cheaper for me.
Yes.
Then I did use.
Very true. Okay, Bobby, thank you very much for this important contribution.
Oga Bobby, we got that corner. Kevin don't call us
back from Durban.
Kevin, good morning.
We hope say you still there. Good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, my people.
We greet you.
I just want to point out one or two things. I want to ask the lawyer.
Okay.
The lawyer, where is it? Because they say Nigeria, they broke. I want to ask him, this government, they like government way broke. Because that the same government, we see say they meet about 10 or so planes for presidential fleet. Up to today, they still they keep up. President wife won't go Kaduna, he go enter plane. Vice President wife won't go Zaria, he go enter plane. Because to me, it's not like say they broke. The same salary as Chukudi talk, same salary where Minister for Jonathan period they collect. That the same salary these guys still they collect. So for the subsidy thing, I don't know whether you go do make people suffer first before you come think of to help them. Because this so-called palliative, they got to tell us that they won't pay 5,000 to poor Nigerians. Who be these poor Nigerians where they won't give? Because I don't know who they want to define as poor Nigerians. We get list of people where they say they be poor of the poorest Nigerians. So how you go do make people suffer first? Because people say they suffer, you can't tell us you go do this. Don't be say you don't already do them.
Before you come to
Because I'm thinking they will have increased salary
we don't note your important contribution. Thank you very much. Because of time, we just throw our Ogbonge visitor the whole question. Back to back, the two questions. They ask, say, we get countries for this world when we say there even plenty pass us as a population, but their megawatts, the thing, it pass our own by far.
Exactly.
Okay. For me, I think I've seen it all elsewhere where things work. I lived in the United Kingdom for 26 years. And I came to take this job from UK. But things work there. The power sector reform, what was done, what started it in November 2013, is a reform of a very long journey. We are just in step 2 of a journey of more than 5 steps. So it is going to take time before the power sector gets better. Between 1989 and 1999, the Nigerian government, they appropriated money for power sector. They did not spend 1 naira to build a power station. Not a single power station was built in that 10-year period. That's Abacha period, Babangida, Abacha, Abdulsalam. For those periods, they did not build a single power station. So we have left many things that we did not do in the past.
Very, very true.
Now we shouldn't be looking back. Let us look forward and see what we can do. Now, I agree with the caller that said the one from Amsterdam. Even in UK, if you live in London, you may decide not to use London electricity. You can connect to Scottish Power.
But Barrister, make I just quickly ask this question. With the way when things day now,
yes,
you think say progress or development go day?
Yes.
Is the future bright?
There will be progress, but like I said, there's a defective constitution. The constitution that we have today is not a people's constitution. The constitution that we have today is anti-people. The constitution that we have today enables people to get away with crime. The constitution that we have today make it impossible and difficult to fight corruption. The constitution that we have today
This particular, we happy say you be barrister. And what we go do be say, if you go give us the opportunity again, say make we extend invitation to you to come back again, we'll discuss this matter from when we start from 10, go reach 11 o'clock, we go appreciate that. But we thank you, say you carry waka enter inside our studio to discuss this matter. You go good make we tell our Nigerian people when they for house, say like our Ogbonge visitor don't talk. Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, whatever ethnic group where you come from, make it always be Nigeria first. If we put our country first, the thing go settle. We dey draw here give NLC, whether Comrade Joe Ajero, whether Ayuba Waba, we dey draw here give government because they talk say when two elephants fight, now the grass dey suffer. Like our visitor talk, the woman when they sell pepper for Oshodi, the one when they sell groundnut oil
where
for
they don't stop from not coming to market now.
Particular arrangement. So it go good make them settle so that we go move this our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come up plenty smoke. Nkubi.
Yes, from me, Webin Kubi, now bye-bye till tomorrow we'll come again.
Barrister, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Appreciate you.
Well done. Keep up the good work.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.